stay tuned for the adventure of putting together a flat top grill. After in turn having a couple of drinks, you know what I mean? But hey, we got it done. That's probably going to be a two-parter too, because it took a minute.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Why don't you guys sit back and enjoy this video? Let's go for a ride.
Okay, Melissa wants me to look at this box. Yeah, I know. I said I was going to get to the grill, but I'm trying to do real footage here, and this is what happened right before I got to assembling the grill. So hang in there or fast forward it. Whatever you like to do, do it. Pellets, 22 long rifle, pair of vice grips, CO2 cartridges for pellet gun, a house key, and when I first got my CPAP, handles for something. Little crescent wrench, hollow point. Oh, this is when I was killing those. Grill master, the man, the myth, the legend. Oh, that's my old grilling shirt. Yeah. Which is funny because I'm getting ready to go out and put the grill together. What happened to this button though?
I don't know.
The face of it's gone. Oh, another one of my little hammers. You look at what you're doing. You're making a freaking mess in here.
I'm just going, oh, look at all this stuff. This is like stuff you like.
Well, yeah, this is stuff that I boxed.
That's your sister.
Oh, yeah, see, this is what we need for these doors. But we need white ones. Oh, yeah, and Johnny.
What else is in there?
More freaking... More supersonic pellet rifle. I got a pellet rifle that I can't remember how far or how fast it shoots, but it basically almost shoots like a 22. What the hell's going on here? But I'm trying to mosey myself to get the gumption of I can go back to get the gumption and go ahead and
I'll have to go through this tomorrow or whatever. Bunch of, oh, the American flag. What's this? Oh, I know what this is.
what?
Oh, get it undone.
Okay, so let's see. Yeah, that should be a good view of what I need to do. What is it? Oh, damn, I remember that. That was for Father's Day or something, wasn't it?
Yeah.
My hero is my dad because he helps me with my homework. Oh, damn, look how handsome I was. Jesus. Now I see why you married me. Damn.
Oh, isn't
That's right,
cute?
she was in chair.
Uh-huh.
Hannah Emily Hay.
The important thing is when I get my dogs, I was very happy the dogs
lick my
hand, and I do the dog run, which means I pick up the dog pie or should I say dog poo-poo.
That's right, she cleaned the dog run since she was this big.
Uh-huh.
Okay. I like this book because the little girl sang Miss Eager. My mom, Melissa, my dad, David, and me, Hannah. Some of my friends are enjoying ice cream. My favorite food is ice cream. My favorite sport is kickball. My favorite TV show is Powerpuff Girls. My favorite song is Bye Bye Bye. My favorite school activity is art and buddies. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher.
I'm going to have to take a
The
picture
nickname
of that
I
and
choose
send
for myself is Emily or Nanners.
Yeah.
That's funny. 2002. Look at how little she was. Oh my God.
Her little cheer outfit.
Damn, look how handsome I am. I'm going to... Look.
I'm wanting.
Oh, yeah, look. I was wearing a grilling thing right there. I must have been barbecuing.
when I was printing all kinds of pictures off the internet. Ted Levine.
Jesus. All right, you're interrupting me. Why do we have an old
I don't
Did
know.
we even have an Insignia
I
TV?
have no idea.
This looks like something that came out of a
But
hospital.
a lot of this stuff you'll have to go through and say the trash.
Look what you did. I cleaned this whole freaking area off, and you just effed it all up. Yeah, that. I wish it wasn't all folded up.
Yeah.
All right.
It came. Well, here, you want to take this with you.
No, I don't want to take that with me right now. I'm going to put it together. I'm not going to use it.
I'll put the stuff back in the box and leave it here for you.
All right.
You can look at it later.
We got to get goo gone to get that nasty, sticky stuff off the front of this fridge.
Oh, yeah. I have Gorilla Glue, but I thought I had glue.
You gonna use Gorilla Glue to take glue off?
Gorilla Glue, and I thought it was Goo Gone if I looked at the bottle.
All right, here we go, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, people of all ages. Oh my God, the garage is a freaking mess. Everywhere we turn around here, it's a mess. All these leaves. It's just me and Stella. I found a box of my hammers. Thought she's got rid of them all. But let's get some light on the subject here. What does that turn on? I don't know. Oh, there's some more lights. Let's open this up and sweep this up and put this grill together. Tomorrow I gotta fix this. I had every tool known to man. Now I'm whittled down to finding things to cut things with. What can I cut that with? I don't even have a freaking... Oh, that's right, Melissa's little tool bag. Is this an outside light? Huh. Oh, there's an attic door. I wonder if it's a light up there. Yep, that's what it is, a light upstairs. That doesn't even look like you can open that. Yeah, that's just retarded. That is just simply retarded. Well, I bet you there's a lot of space up there. Hey, Melissa. Where's your tool bag? When you got a minute, come over. I want to show you something. Or before we moved out of Missouri. Now I'm down to this. Melissa's pink tool bag. And whatever's in it is all I got. Pretty sad. Pretty sad. Can't throw anything in the trash. You gotta put it all in bags. Yeah. Okay. A little of this picked up so I can work in here without strewing this all over the place. Oh, I was gonna peek. You know, I was flipping that light. I'm like, is that for a light up there? And I turned it on. See the light up there?
Oh yeah.
So I was like, oh, let's check it out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Will it, if it closes, will it? If the garage is closed?
No, that's the track for the garage door.
Wow.
So basically, that has to be notched out. I mean, you know what? Might be able. No, it's not.
No, then we're gonna pull it all down. It'll cause a.
I was gonna say I might be able to twist it over, but
Oh yeah.
that's it.
Oh, a circle of animals.
Oh, is that me laying on the
Yeah.
couch? I'm such a sexy bitch. See, I always wondered, what the hell, what did this woman want with me? And then I look at those pictures, I'm like, damn, now I know. All right, just want to get some of the dirt picked up. I guess these leaves blowing under the door. Hell, I don't know. But that thing is heavy. Need to make a trip to the dump. Get rid of all this. Nonsense. Back is killing me, man. I was gonna have her hold the bag for me, but then I thought, you know what? I just go like this. Really? Hopefully that didn't screw up again. That ain't gonna hold it open, is it? Damn, I almost tripped over my own damn floor. damn dustpan. That's what I don't have. I need some freaking clips for this. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Damn it. Alright, we'll put this here for now. Well, guys, I feel like I kind of ripped you off on this first video. It was getting too long. I edited out some of the sweeping footage. I might just go back and edit a little more out. I mean, when you see someone start sweeping, I mean, what is it? I did a little fast forwarding also. Yeah, Jeremy, too bad. Part 2, you're going to get the unboxing of the grill, and I don't know how long it's going to be, but we'll get we'll get a lot of the assembly done on it, and it might end up running into a part 3. Hang in there. You know, some of you guys like to roll around with old Davey here, and that's on crooked. See what I do when I'm not trucking. This is what we do when we're not trucking. We just bought the house. This is our second week here. It's our second home time here. We spend a week at a time, and we're trying to get everything done at once. I needed to get the grill going, guys, because I've got an electric range, and I don't dig that. A lot of electricity being used, and I like to grill, so yeah,